Hello guys, welcome to Tech Audits. So today I have an unboxing for iPhone 13 mini. So this is the package. As you can see, very small. I bought it from the Apple website. So I'll start the unboxing. And here's the iPhone mini. This is the Starlight. As you can see, very small. I'll put the box aside. This is it. iPhone mini. So I'll start unboxing it. So and there it is, iPhone 13 mini. So we're gonna put it aside. As you can see, the power up, volume down, and then we have the mute button up and down. Then we have the power button on the right side. On the top there's nothing. Then here we have Thunderbolt and the speakers. Yes, so it's really nice, as you can see. So we'll put it aside. So we have some a SIM card tray pin, and then we have iPhone information, and we have the iPhone logo. So that's it. And then we have the Thunderbolt to USB-C cable. This is the charging and the file transfer cable. So that's it. So I'll put this aside, and then we're gonna. So I have also this is the screen protector for iPhone 13 mini. This is 5.10. This is from Amazing Things, super glass, as you can see, touch glass. So we're gonna open this. Apple. So that's it. This is phone. So this is the card. Nothing more. So first I'm going to remove the amazing. screen protector. So so after installing the screen protector, pretty good. The screen light, very nice. Okay, top, bottom. So we're gonna compare it with the. We're gonna do the first bootup. So the first bootup. So So now the phone is on. So I'm going to do a quick setup, then I'll be back to guide you how to make some setting changes. Okay. Thing you have to do is check the battery. Where's the battery? Make sure it's 100%. Go to battery health. Make sure this is 100% because it's a new one. You have to make sure it's 100%, and then so I'm gonna add my SIM. So I'm gonna go to settings. I'm gonna go settings, then I'm gonna go to mobile data, and then I'm gonna go add plan. Okay, so I'll press on that. It says add plan, position the QR code from the network provider. So I have an eSIM, so I'm gonna this is my Pixel 3. It does my code, so good. So it says PAN DG is ready to add your phone, then I'll add, and then it will be activating. That's all. So my SIM card now is working. First time on charge. Okay, and let's wait for it. And there's my network, as you can see. So it's good. So if you look at it, we are getting messages. As you can see, this is my network. Okay, so as you can see, now my network is good. So now I'm gonna show you just 3 examples of iPhone 13 mini cases. So I have the white one, the navy blue, and the black one. So I'm just gonna quickly try them on the phone and see and show you how they look. So let me do that now. So I'll start with the white one. So this is how the white case looks on the iPhone mini. It's really nice and clean. It also protects the camera a little bit, so it protrudes. So if you put it down, it won't scratch your cameras. So it's very nice. So I'll go to the next one, which is the navy blue. So this is how the navy blue case looks on the iPhone 13 mini. Really nice, feels comfortable. The case is a little bit bulky. We'll do a test later to check if we can use it for wireless charging. We'll do that later. So this is how the navy blue looks on the iPhone 13 mini. So let's try the black case. Okay, and this is how the black case looks on the iPhone 13 mini. Really nice and clean. So that's it for the cases. You can find a lot of cases online. I'll put some links in the description if you want to check them out. That's good. So next I'm gonna show you how using wireless charging with the power bank, if it works with the case and if it's effective enough or not. So I'm gonna show you right now. So the first thing you have to do is, for this power bank, you have to activate the wireless function by pressing the button to turn it on, and then you just take the iPhone and then you place it to the MagSafe. As you can see now, it's charging. There is a very good chance. Now we're gonna test the power bank wireless charging without the case on the iPhone mini. So we're gonna place it and the magnet snaps and it's also charging. You can see even if I put it vertically, the phone doesn't fall off on the other side, and then if I put it upside down also, it doesn't. Even I try to shake it a little bit, it's still strong enough. It falls, but it's still strong enough to keep it in place. Just if you're using it on the table and everything, it won't fall off. You can also turn it on the other side and put it in different positions. So it's a very good power bank. It can be used to charge some MacBooks, also iPhone, also earbuds. It's a very nice one. I'll be doing a review about it soon. So if you check on the right corner, if there is a pop-up, then I've made the video. If not, then you just have to wait. I'll make a video about it. So that's all, guys, about the iPhone 13 mini unboxing. It's a really nice phone. It feels really nice on the hand. So if you have any question, especially for the eSIM part, I think that one is a bit complicated and it needs more explanation, because there are pro and cons of using eSIM. So as you can see, my phone now has network, but I didn't put any physical SIM card on my phone. I'm just using it. So in the future, I think I'll make a video to explain what's the benefits of using an eSIM and the disadvantage of using an eSIM. So if you want that video, guys, just feel free to comment down below. Also ask some questions. Also remember to keep your iPhone up to date, so always check for the updates. So that's it, guys. If you have any question, feel free to ask down below. Remember to share, subscribe, and help us reach at least 1,000 subscribers. And I'll see you in another video soon. Thank you, guys, and I'll see you next time. Thank you.